Hey guys, this is question MM143 of the Maths Methods Fortify study guide. Now we've got this function f of x equals 4 sine of x take pi over 6, and we're asked to find the inverse of f to the negative 1 of x, or inverse f of x. Cool, so whenever we're finding an inverse, we want to do our swap x and y thing, right? Where y is our f of x, which means we get x equals 4 sine of, y take pi over 6, and then we simply have to rearrange for y. So we get x over 4 equals sine y take pi over 6, which means inverse sine of x over 4 equals y take pi over 6. Just coming up here for you guys, just so you can see properly, we get 6 times inverse sine of x over 4 equals y take pi, which means that y is equal to 6 inverse sine of x over 4 plus pi. But this is not our final answer because the question asked us for the inverse of f, which means we have to answer it in the inverse of f. So therefore the inverse of f equals 6 sine inverse of x over 4 plus pi. So I know this is more of a functions and graphs question, but it's a bit of an integration between the trig and the functions and graphs with the inverse. So guys, your first mark comes here when you recognize that you need to swap x and y. Then your second mark comes here where you actually write what the inverse function is. If you have any questions about that, as always, hit me up in the comments below. Have a great day.